everyone, today I'm gonna try to find how long I should leave my own toner that I do at home, because to be honest, when I do my toner I leave it between 5 to 10 minutes, but I'm never sure if I should leave it more or less. And I think 2 months ago I tried to just leave it in the shower, so I left it maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and the color was perfect. It didn't turn blue, and I find that my hair was not brassy anymore. So today I'm gonna try to test my toner to see if there's a difference after 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 8 minutes. And maybe I'll try 10 minutes if after 8 minutes my hair is not blue or purple. So I'm gonna go mix my toner and I'll come back. Okay, so I just mixed my toner. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna show you my hair. As you can see, it's really brassy, especially where I have some highlights. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some section here where I have some highlights and some kind of a orange hair and put the toner for 3, 5, 8, and maybe 10, I'll see. And then depending on which one is the best, I'll just put the toner all over my hair and just leave it for this time. Okay, so I hope you can see the color. It's kind of brassy. This is my highlight. This is the color that I put 2 months ago, and I have some hair grow, my black hair. So I'm gonna put a bobby pin so they don't mix. So I'm gonna put the toner and then I'll start my timer. So let's go. Okay, let's wait for the 3 minutes, then I'm gonna rinse it. I'll be back after. Okay, so I just rinsed the 3-minute section. It did tone down my orange hair, but I feel like I should have left it a little bit longer, so I hope you can see, but it's already toned down. Okay, so this is what after 5 minutes it looks like. This is a 3 minutes, 5 minutes. They look pretty much the same, to be honest, but I feel like the 5 minutes it's a little bit more toned down. Okay, so I just rinsed the 8 minute and I towel dry it. I feel like the 5 minutes is the best one, because the one with just only 3 minutes, it's not brassy anymore, but it looks like it could be a little bit more toned down. But the part in the 8 minutes, I feel like I see a little bit of like more green, or maybe let's say, I don't know. It looks like it's gonna turn blue. It was gonna turn blue. So for sure 10 minutes it's too long. If I have to choose between the three, I don't know if I'm the only one that see it different. Let me see if I can like put the towel so you can see. No, probably not. There before. And I'll show you the after 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the next day. I just had my hair into braids. They are dry. I don't know if you can see a difference. I hope you can. I think the light, it's showing it more orange than it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. I hope you can. Okay, so this is my final result. As you can see, my hair, it's not orange, and the part that is lighter, it's not green, blue, or purple, which I'm really happy. So the answer is it's better to leave this toner for 5 to 7 minutes. It might be a little bit too much if you don't want green, blue, or purple hair. So yeah, let me know if you guys try this toner or if you like the result. Thank you for watching. Buongiorno.